Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I have a special guest here who's going to introduce herself in just a moment and let you know how she makes a difference.
Thank you, Catherine. It's Denise O'Brien with Dome Entertainment, Los Angeles, California, USA, here in Egypt, and so excited with the Sphinx behind us, one of the most beautiful pieces of artwork in the world. How do I make a difference? Well, being that I'm the Queen of Joy, my job is to help people tell their story. So I have taken upon myself to help people, whether it's a book or a movie or any way that they want to share their platform and their brand. I help them to shape their message to make it its brilliant best. That's where DOME stands for, Denise O'Brien Movies Entertainment, to help people to shine their light in the world and to bring the inner light out to the world so everybody can see it.
I love that. So bring the inner light out.
Yes,
And that's what you do to make a difference in the world.
exactly.
Yeah, when you want to make a difference this week, think about shining that light. Speak
That's
soon.
right.
Bye.